Hello, I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. Today is Motivational Monday. What'd you do this past week after you got your paycheck? Whether it was the first, Friday, Saturday. You went out shopping, you had to pay your bills, you had to buy the food. You took your leisure and said, hey, let's go to the movies, went out to the outlets, Walmart, went shopping at the mall, who knows? But the question is, did you invest in yourself? The Stop Struggling Now way. This is how we stop struggling now. So today, Motivational Monday, we have a quote from Abraham Lincoln. I walk slowly, but I don't walk backward. Like, please subscribe, click the bell below. Now let's get to it. That's right, Motivational Mondays. Oh, don't get carried away now. I just did this one for today. It's not coming every week, it's just random, so you just have to stay tuned. But the quote from Abraham Lincoln was to illustrate the fact that it doesn't take one big jump. You can do it slowly, one day at a time. That's all it takes. You don't have to do everything in a day. One step, one little thing. Maybe your credit's messed up. Maybe one letter sent to the credit bureau or a debt collector to try to get it removed. Maybe it's starting a business, just information. You never know. That's all it takes. You can do this. No matter what you do in life, you have the naysayers, you have the haters. But it's up to you to keep going for your dreams. If you want to have big dreams, then you got to have big goals. If you want to have middle dreams, then you got to have middle goals. Whatever you're trying to do, you have to believe in yourself. And you know you can do it. But it just doesn't happen in a day. You got to study. You got to fulfill your requirement. You can't just sit on the couch. You can't just go, woe is me. There ain't no damn whining. You can't be boo-hooing. You got to go out and do it. No matter what the cost is sometimes. If you want to do something, we live in America. You can make it happen. Knowledge, though, is very powerful. And that's why you have to study. You have to learn your craft. Whatever you plan on doing. But don't listen to the haters. Don't listen to the naysayers. Don't listen to the family members that say you can't do it, because you can do it. That's what this is all about. If you want to stop struggling, you can do it. Just believe in yourself. I believe in anything is possible. I was sitting over here at Tropical Smoothie the other day. This guy, we started talking about my channel. And I said, yeah, I'm trying to help people out. He says, I got a problem. He tells me his little problem. I say, oh, you're thinking of it the wrong way. You can do this with no money out of pocket. I showed him the way. And now here we have it. Hopefully he took my advice. But that's just it. Once you pay attention and try to do what you're trying to do, you find out, whoa, this wasn't so hard after all. You gained a little knowledge and you found a little key to the box that you can open it. And knowledge just flows out. So Motivational Monday means get after it. Don't let anybody stop you. And all you know, the key tagline, let's get to it. Please again, like, subscribe, hit the bell, because next up we're going to be talking about credit. Once again, an update in the next video. So you're going to have to stay tuned. A little teaser. And maybe I'll clear up some of this open space here and put in something. Since I have this gray background here, why not? Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep your head up. Keep moving. One step at a time. Because in 30 days, you will improve.